Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 2. Name of the chapter 2 is the components of food. And yesterday I told you about the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, mineral salts, vitamins. And today I will discuss about the water. Today I will discuss about the water. So water is the indispensable. Water is the indispensable, and about 70% of our body weight is that of water, and it helps the body in various functions. It helps the body in various functions. It is a means of transporting substances in the organisms, and it helps to maintain a constant body temperature. So water is very important, and about 70% of our body weight is of water. And you know that what is the function of the water? Water helps our body in many ways. It means transporting substances in the organisms, and it helps maintain a constant body temperature. And water helps in the absorption of food and excretion of waste products from the body. Our body needs 2 to 3 liters of water every day. If we will take water 2 to 3 liters every day, then it is good for the body. Now come to the rough phase. Rough phase. Rough phase. Rough phase. That is the fiber is found in vegetables, fruits, beans and cereals. It has no nutritive value but prevents constipation and is necessary for proper functioning of the digestive system. And literally our body should contain in sufficient amount energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. You know that energy giving foods is the carbohydrates. You know that energy giving food is the carbohydrate. What is the energy giving food? Carbohydrate and fats. Carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats. Body building food. Body building food, that is the proteins. Body building food is the proteins, and protective foods is the vitamins and minerals. Protective food, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, that is the protective food. So you know that rough phase is necessary for the proper functioning of our body, and our bodies should contain in sufficient amount energy giving food. And from where we are getting energy? From the carbohydrates and fats. And second one is the body building, growth promoting. So our body needs in sufficient amount proteins and protective food, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. So on the basis of their role in the body are classified into 3 major food groups as energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. No single food can supply all the components required for proper nutrition, energy giving, body building and protecting food. So I will tell you food groups. I will make 3 columns, and in that columns you can see that how what is the 3 groups of there. What is the 3 groups of this. So food groups, you can see here, this is the food groups, and it is divided into three. That is the energy giving food, energy giving food, energy giving food, body building food, body building food, body building food, and protective food, protective food. So energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. So first one is the cereals. Cereals, you can see that it is the energy giving food, and body building foods are milk. In cereals, you can write here wheat, rice, and maize. Wheat, rice, and maize, three are the major cereals. And body building foods are milk, and protective foods, that is the fruits. Fruits. Then sugar. Sugar, that is the pulses. Sugar, and body building food is the pulses. And pulses, you can take gram, pea, and other. You can take any. And the protective food, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. So energy giving food, cereals, body building foods, milk, protective food, fruits, and energy giving food, sugar, body building food, pulses, protective food, green leafy vegetables. And you can see that jaggery, that is the gur. Jaggery, jaggery, cheese, and green leafy vegetables, you can see that spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, many you can take. And energy giving food is the potato, sweet potato, sweet potato, honey, oils and fats, honey, oils and fats, oils and fats. And body building foods, you can take cheese, eggs, fish, meat, eggs, fish, and meat. They are comes under the body building foods. And protective fruits, green leafy vegetables, milk, and eggs. So these are the categories. These are comes under the food groups. So I will tell you food about the food groups. Food groups is divided into three. That is the energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. So energy giving food, you can see that cereals, sugar, jaggery, potato, sweet potato, honey, oils and fats. Body building food, you can see that milk, pulses, cheese, eggs, fish, and meat. And protective foods, you can see that fruits, green leafy vegetables, milk, and eggs. They are comes under the protective foods. And this you can you will take revision till here. And first you will read about all 7 nutrients. Then you will take revision of these things: food groups, energy giving food, body building food, and protective foods. So this is the till here you will take revision, and I think all of you understood till here. So till now I have completed about the nutrients, what is the nutrients, and about the 7 essential nutrients, that is the carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins, minerals, water, and rough phase. and then I discussed each of the nutrients, and then I told you energy giving food, bodybuilding foods and protective foods, and then on the basis of the food groups I told you. So till here all of you take revision.